Yeah, you like that, Christopher? Okay, it is Friday night, July 25th, and I guess it's midnight now. And he just ate not too long ago, but I got him this little thing called a jumperoo tonight. And it's really cute. It's just a little thing he can sit in and hop around and move his legs. Wow, Christopher, what's this? Okay, well, why did it stop? There we go. What you think, son? Christopher! You like it? Do you like it? Sure beats laying on that floor and running around on the carpet. Has cute little, this little thing moves. Of course and these little things move. Look, Christopher. It's just called a jumperoo. A deluxe jumperoo. Fisher-Price deluxe jumperoo. He can move and hop, and it's adjustable, so I can make it taller when he gets a little bigger. But he can jump and hop. Hopefully he'll learn how to do that soon. He was ready for some kind of toy like this, a walker or an exerciser, and this just happened to be an ad I found, and this is what we got first. I wanted him to have something that had the activity bar, the little activities, and something to entertain him. I think that it might be a winner. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy, do you like it? Do you like it, son? See, you can jump, you can hop, 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 hop. Hop, hop, hop. Wow, Christopher, look at all that. I thought the music turned back on. Okay. Oh, it says jump for lights and music, so maybe when he starts hopping around a little bit. You like it? Just kind of checking it out. Look, his little toes are just... Hey, big boy! Hey, big boy! Oh, he likes the lights. That's good. Wow, pretty cool toy, huh? You like that toy? That's right, play with all the different things. That's right. And if you jump up and down, nope, no. Wow. Bigger than I thought it was going to be. Of course, he is tiny. This is still new, though. He hasn't seen this before, so just doesn't know what to think about it yet, huh, baby? Okay. Maybe tomorrow we'll get some good video.